We've tried to make setting up your Resource Wagon account as simple and as fast as possible, and one of the tools we created to do this is the Employee Bulk Upload tool. You can create employees one at a time. It could take some time. It's simple, or you can create a simple spreadsheet that will upload every employee at once. And to do that, we go to the administrator section. You're going to see early on these yellow boxes. These are tips or next steps we think you should take as you set up your account. As you can see, the first thing we suggest doing is going to the administrator area right here. Now these tips will go away after time, but the link there will always be up in the navigation bar as well. So we'll click on that link. And as you can see, the first step we suggest you do is import these employees. Again, these will disappear over time, these tips, but that import employees is always going to be over here on the right side. So we have some simple instructions here to set up this spreadsheet. These are the columns that you can have in that spreadsheet. The ones in bold, last name, first name, employee email address, and supervisor manager email address, are the only required columns you're going to need. Everything else is just extra information. However, the more information you can put in there, the more time you're going to save down the road, and the better your database is going to be. Now, when you do create that spreadsheet, if you do not choose to put these in, these columns are going to be blank. Don't shift information up, just leave the columns blank. So let's go out there and create this. Open whatever spreadsheet program you use. And you can see I've already pre-populated this spreadsheet with the information, with the employees. And so we'll go over each column here, make sure everything's correct. You can see the last name, first name, employee email address. Those three columns are required. And then we have the location, hire date, that kind of stuff that's just nice to have. And then we have the supervisor, manager, email address here. These things are required because that's how Resource Wagon connects the employee with the manager. And then the rest of it is again just extra information that's good to have if you have it. When we save it, we want to save it as a CSV file format, not as Excel or any other spreadsheet format, just CSV, and that's just in that drop down. We'll save that, and then just click yes. It's just kind of explaining what a CSV file is. And we'll go back to Resource Wagon, and now we can choose that file to upload. So we'll go out and we'll find that file we just saved, choose it, and then we want to check the box here if you want all of those employees to automatically receive a password and login information so that they can log into Resource Wagon. If you don't want them to do that, then uncheck that box. But most likely you're going to have some resource fulfillers, managers, whatnot that will want to get in there and be able to use the system. So this is a quick and easy way to get them access. And then we'll simply click on Upload. And here, Resource Wagon is going to go out to that spreadsheet. I'm going to upload all the information, create the manager-employee relationships. And as you can see, it uploaded all 8 of our employees. There were no problems. If there were some problems with that spreadsheet, if we was missing information or incorrect information, things weren't matching up, Resource Wagon will inform you of that before it does the upload, so you can go out and fix that. But so let's take a look at these employees we just imported. So we'll go to Human Resources, and we'll click on Current Employees, and we will see the complete list of all the employees we said that we just uploaded in that spreadsheet. Hire dates all there. The manager relationships have been set up. They're in their departments, and now it's simple to go out and set them up with resources, set them up as resource fulfillers, and everything else that makes Resource Wagon such a great tool to use.